Hello, Jailhouse Tours, Emily speaking. Okay, let me transfer you to him.
Hello.
Hello, Joel, I've got the Queen on the phone for you.
Okay. No, I'll take that. I'll put it straight through. Your Majesty.
Hello. Is that Jailhouse Tours?
Yes, Your Majesty. It's Shrewsbury, Shepton Mallet and Gloucester prisons.
Wonderful. Philip and I have been chatting, and we're so happy to allow you to continue your tours at the prison.
That's wonderful news. It's the news I've been waiting to hear, Your Majesty. It's safe to say that the past year at Shepton Mallet and Gloucester prisons have been so successful with so many visitors coming through. You giving us an extension and allowing us to stay will allow even more of your subjects to come by and walk in the footsteps of history. We really appreciate your generosity. Ma'am, I have to say, you should really consider taking a tour. Our ex-prison officers, they're great and really do give you an insight into what prison life would have been like. Is this something you might like to do?
We would be delighted to. Charles will be in touch shortly to arrange a suitable date.
That's great, ma'am, and we'll wait to hear from Charles.
Well, thank you, and good luck with the prison. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Your Majesty.
Goodbye.
Wow. Prison's extended.